We had grass that wouldn't grow. We had landscaping around it that was ugly and it defined a small area that wasn't attractive. We had a 9-inch step down from the existing patio to the yard area
Hmm.
that was difficult with I have two difficult knees, bad knees. So it, I wouldn't take that step down unless I really wanted to be on the lower level. So I was pretty much kind of confined, at least mentally, intellectually, to the 24 by 12-foot area. Wow. We went through a long process of deciding what we were going to do in the back patio. And we eventually decided, I think we'd like to do pavers. And then we went to Tim because we worked with him before on another project, on a driveway project, and showed him what we thought we wanted, which was pretty much this plan with tweaks.
Hmm.
And Tim then put it on graphics, and he was eminently responsible, as I would be afraid of. Oh, the opening's not small enough. Not so. Oh, it's too big. Oh, it's not curved enough. Oh, I don't want it. I was so emotionally scared about making a bad decision that he would just show me what I was thinking on in this graphic, and I could see it, and it just put my fears to rest. Nicole is the office manager, and
Hmm.
she's the executive director, the assistant director, and she is absolutely phenomenally fantastic, intelligent, efficient, knowledgeable. I mean, she was like, oh, it just raised our little confidence in the company. When we finally decided to go with pavers, because it's a nice, permanent, expensive process, we went right back to American Paving because they had done our driveway before and they were fantastic to work with, and we ended up with a beautiful product.
Hmm.
So we talked to them first. We're so impressed with Tim and Nicole that there just wasn't any doubt. This is what we wanted. I love looking at this patio. It is gorgeous. I mean, truly, it's a work of art.
Hmm.
The guys who built this patio, and I watched them every day, hours every day, are artists.
Hmm.
They really, really put a lot of time and effort in making sure that the layout didn't have any patterns to it, and cutting the stones. And I worked with Steve on the steps. The steps were extremely important to me. And so from the design, he didn't quite lay it out exactly like what I had in my mind. So he was great because we ended up with exactly the steps that I wanted, which was really important to me.
Hmm.
What I love is it's beautiful to look at. It's beautiful to set in, be out here in our backyard, which we couldn't do before. And even from inside the house, it has so totally enhanced the view out our back windows. It's fantastic.